All right, so here are a few items that I got from Walgreens yesterday. So for the month of June, skincare is buy two, get one free. So 1, 2, 3. One of these was free. I think it was this one. And they were on clearance. Look at that, $1.99. These work really well for super busy mornings when we have to just get up and go. So my intent was to go pick up a Walgreens.com order and use my 25% off coupon that was in that pickup order email. So this is for me. I got 50 cents back from Ibotta. This was $2. This was $3.74 on clearance. But my $2 digital coupon didn't attach, and it's really no big deal. Walgreens.com, through their chat, they just gave me that $2. They gave me $2 back in points. And then these are $8.99, and since I had the 25% off coupon plus a digital $1 off coupon, I thought these were worth it, and I ended up submitting this along with this, like I said earlier, for Ibotta rebates. So I got $3 back for that. So yeah, it really ended up working out because I got 25% off Ibotta rebates, and those beauty products counted towards Beauty Club. And so anyways, I had to go back again today just to get some items. The Renew, I had a $2 IVC already clipped plus a $4 digital coupon. And I had to get this for my kids. This was $9.99, and I had a $1 digital manufacturer coupon already clipped. And then I found this cute little guy, $2.49. So I tried using a different email to redeem my 25% off coupon, and it didn't attach to my transaction. I don't know what happened. It's really not a big deal. Maybe the guy entered subtotal and then scanned it. Maybe that was the problem. But he told me that I didn't spend the right amount to qualify for using the 25% off coupon. So I called Walgreens and explained that there was no minimum mentioned in the email. So I was really confused. I was like, how much am I supposed to spend to use that coupon? So she just gave me some points, and it's really not a big deal. So $7.99 minus $2, and then $9.99 for the eardrops, $5 off in manufacturer coupons. I redeemed $5 in points, and then I got $3 back from Ibotta. So, everything worked out in the end. I'm trying to do that that deal where you go to Walgreens or Walgreens.com and you spend $10 once per day and you get 5,000 points. So that's my goal, but I'm also trying to utilize my points so I don't spend too much out of pocket, because the past few months I've been holding on to my points but spending too much cash at Walgreens, and it just didn't help me. So I'm trying to utilize points, rebates, and coupons just so I can hold on to my money. So anyways, thanks so much for watching.